Hey Daniel, my name is Lee Turbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by this end of this video you've liked what you heard, and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition, not waste any more of your time or mine. First thing I want to go over is content. All this content on your homepage has to be unique. It can't be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site. So on your homepage right here you see there's some content there, a little bit there, a little bit there, maybe 150 words max. Google likes to see at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage so they can know what your site's about. All Google is a crawler website. It crawls, it reads, and then it ranks you according to what your website is written about. So if your pictures aren't saved as curbing and curb edging or whatever the main keywords are, and you don't have a lot of content, they're not going to rank you high because it doesn't know what it's about. So let's go over to your competitions. MW Concrete Curbs. These guys are ranked #1 in the organic section right here. And this is in Chattanooga also. I had to go there because it's a bigger city, so there'll be a lot more search volumes. And Dalton has some, but there's not much there because it's not a big population. But so these guys, to go up above them, they don't really have much content either. They have maybe, I'd say 100 words, 200 words. So I mean, if you were to put 1,000 words, you would easily rank up above these guys, no problem, no questions asked. So I want to go over how Google's set up. Usually there's ads up here. People will pay per click to be up here, and that can get costly if you don't know what you're doing. And then there's this section. This is the second section of Google. It's called the Map Pack, Google Maps. And if you don't have citations in your website, or that link back to your website, then you won't rank in this at all. So right now, Chattanooga Concrete and Asphalt is in first place due to citations. Now, a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed throughout the web on Yext, Yellow Pages, Facebook's even one of them. So what I did was I used this tool called WhiteSpark. It's a local citation finder, and I put them in it and I put your name just to see how many citations they had to know how much we needed to beat them. So they have 13 right now. You have 6. So you're not above them, and that's really easy to beat. We could literally add 50 citations to your website over a few months, and you would rank above them, be in that first spot for them keywords, and take them out, basically pulling all the business that they are. Now, I think that they are kind of a franchise company because they have a / Chattanooga after their name, so I'm sure that they're probably all over your area or all over a different couple states. I'm not sure, but when I put their keywords in, you'll see what I'm talking about that because they have a bunch of different cities. But so I put your name, Georgia Xtreme Curbing, into Ahrefs. It's another tool that I pay for monthly to see how you ranked on Google. And UR is your trust, and DR, excuse me, UR is your trust, and DR is how powerful your website is. So this will show your backlinks, how many backlinks you have to get up in that organic section, and this is showing the keywords that you're ranking for. So you have 2 referring domains. That's 2 websites that are referring back to you, giving you 4 backlinks. A backlink is any other website that refers back to your website. So, and they're not created equal as well. So if you have another concrete website with using a hypertext word throughout the content and you can click on it and it links back to you, then that's going to be considered a strong backlink because it's in the same niche. But if you have a Pizza Hut site that links back to your curbing, it's not going to give you a powerful link because they're totally opposites of each other. And a lot of people make the mistake of getting a bunch of backlinks and they're spammy, which only hurts their website. But you have 2 and 4 and you're ranking for 13. Put your competition in, they have 8 and 10 backlinks. So they're not beating you by much, and honestly, we could take them out within 2-3 weeks or 2 to 3 months by adding. You can only add so many per month, or Google will spam your website because it's unorganic. But the main reason we're in here is because we want to look at their keywords and see what they're ranking for, as they're in the first spot. So landscape concrete edging is getting 70 searches a month. Now that's the volume. That's a monthly search. This is KD. It's keyword difficulty. That's how hard it would be to rank for this keyword, and that 6 isn't very hard. This goes 0 to 100, so 6 is very quite easy. If you get some backlinks and go up above them, you'll start ranking for these words easily. Landscape, concrete edging, 70 searches. Right there's 140 searches. Concrete edging Denver. Like I said, I think they have multiple websites because this is just their Chattanooga, but we would go through and dig a lot deeper and see which ones sort of apply to your area and throw them into your website, and also look at other websites too. I just put the #1 website in there that for right now, but we would find roughly, maybe 10 to 15 keywords to throw throughout your 1,500 words on your homepage, because they need to be spaced out every 100 words, and then throw those throughout it, get some backlinks added to your website, get you ranked, and you'll start pulling all this volume. That's 140 searches right there monthly. So if you could close half of that, say you got $700 to $1,000 per job at 70 searches, that's 70 grand right there. I mean, that's all up to you and your closing skills. But anyways, that's the facts on that. So once again, we went over content, which is all the content on your homepage that you need. 1,500 words. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words. Citations, you would like to have maybe around 200 to 300 of these. So, because once these people catch wind that you go above them, they're going to start probably hiring someone and get them. So I'd like to add 200-300 to beat the competition by a landslide. They can never come back. It would take years. And then the link juice, the backlinks. Now you need more relevant sites, like I said, pointing to you guys to show Google that you're authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But however, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee Turbianic, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Daniel, and I hope you have a great day.